Okay, time to think spring a little bit and talk about skin rejuvenation. And we're here with Dr. Brad Bengtson at the Center for Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. You know, we think about all these great procedures that you perform that are so invasive and so dramatic. But actually, there are some great skin kinds of procedures that you do that really aren't that way.
Absolutely. Welcome, Terry, today. So it's very interesting. You know, I think of skincare as both and, not necessarily either or. So when we assess the face and look at different concerns patients have, you have the skin aspect is becoming much, much more important. And then kind of the wrinkle lines, Botox fillers, as we've done prior segments on, and then the surgical aspect. So, but what the skin looks like really dramatically brightens the face and really adds a lot, you know, to things. And we can do a lot with the skin now. There's a lot of different products and options out there.
And they're really, in many cases, they're procedures that are just really simply done in an in and out basis in your office.
Right. So the way I look at it is there are certain things that the estheticians, and Paulette is performing a organic Alina mask today on this lovely patient. And so there are certain things that the estheticians can do, certain things that the surgeon can do, as talking about lasers, as we'll talk about, and then certain products that the patient can apply. So there's kind of a multitude of different approaches.
From the office to then back in your own bathroom.
Exactly
when
right.
You're pampering yourself at home.
Exactly right.
So what's unique about this particular mask?
So this is a really interesting product, and we've been very fortunate to partner with Alina, who's this very interesting lady from Russia that we're the exclusive place or position where you can obtain these products and these procedures. And all of our products are completely organic. And so we offer two pathways here. We offer a pathway of a truly organic line and then also more of a traditional medical skincare line.
Fantastic. And you also have lasers, which we're going to talk about next. You may be surprised to find that the Bengtson Center for Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery also has a full line of laser treatments available here. Right. Tell us about that, Dr. Bengtson.
Yeah, we have a full skincare and laser center here at the Bengtson Center, trying to be, covering absolutely everything. And what I love about the Palomar laser system is that it has specifically designed heads for different applications. So some lasers just have one wavelength that treats everything. What we have is basically one wavelength or one head that treats very specific applications and concerns.
And that's really unique to the system that you use, the Palomar system.
It is. It's really unique, and it's much more specific and much more effective and efficient at treating specific concerns patients have.
Okay, it's exciting because you use this for everything from hair removal to, of course, skin rejuvenation. Talk about stretch marks.
So stretch marks are a very, very difficult thing. They're very common, and they're also very difficult to treat. So the Palomar system actually has the first FDA-approved method of reducing stretch marks. So I always tell patients stretch marks with this system treatment, they're always better. They're rarely gone. So the earlier we can get them, the more red that they are. So the earlier in the occurrence of them, like post-pregnancy, those sorts of things, the better the response. But it can be very, very dramatic in the results.
And it's really a newly approved use of the laser technology.
It's the first FDA-approved laser technology for the treatment of stretch marks, right?
Okay, so everything from skincare to laser treatment to, of course, complete surgery for all of your needs. The Bengtson Center for Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery. Dr. Bengtson is here with us today along with Tina Atha. Okay, I have to tell you, I was blown away by your full skincare center and your laser center. It really is an incredible, just comprehensive facility.
Yeah, I think a lot of people are surprised to see skincare practice to this level, and our design goals were to have just a very beautiful, warm, inviting environment have a beautiful staff and technically very good, and then provide the latest, greatest new technology, and it all works. It's really a special place, a real blessing to be there.
Yeah. Well, now is a really good time to start thinking about this, because soon we're going to be spending a little bit more outside in the elements. We get tan, and so do you find a lot of people really looking to rejuvenate their skin right now?
Yeah, it is the perfect time, not only for different surgical procedures, but particularly laser surgeries, because some of the main complications you can get into are early hyperpigmentation, or just sort of pigment that can collect after a treatment or a peel. And so we're fortunate, I guess, in Michigan not to have too much sun, which is partly Terry's responsibility, I think.
That's right. We don't want too much sun.
Yeah, we don't want too much sun. But it does, it is just a perfect time to have different facial treatments and really kind of pamper yourself during the winter months.
I'm really struck by just the variety of different uses that a laser can provide, and those are different options people can use, from hair removal to, some of these skin imperfections that are very easily treatable in your office.
Very fast, very minimal, sometimes no downtime. What I really like about this Palomar system is many laser systems come with one wavelength, and they try and treat all different types of things, but they don't do it particularly well. With this system, we have a very specific head that treats very specific things. So red-brown pigment, stretch marks that we've talked about, they have the first FDA-approved treatment for that. So it's a really effective, really cool tool.
And even acne.
Acne, yeah.
Wow.
We have an acne laser head, yeah.
There's such a variety, and I know that you've made it really easy for our 8 West viewers to take advantage and made it cost-effective, if you will, for them to come in right now when it's a great time to do that. Why don't you tell us a little bit about some of the specials you're offering to 8 West viewers who call?
Yeah, so I'll let Tina kind of maybe talk about that.
We are going to have where you purchase 2 peels that you can customize yourself. You purchase 2 of those, you get a third one free. Wow. So it's $125 savings. And it's good to be consecutive, come in monthly to kind of keep up on your skin. Our skin rejuvenates every 28 days, so it just gives that bright glow and keeps that aging process slowing down, which we all are wanting.
Right.
And then also, if you do the Alina organic facial, that is something that we did a taping on as well. Alina is all organic. A lot of people are really into being natural and organic, and I know not a whole lot of people are doing organic facials around the area, so you can get your first one for 50% off. They're normally $75, so that's a great deal to offer as well.
It's a great deal, and it's a great line.
It is. It does work really well.
She's a cool lady.
Yeah. And then also, if you do any kind of laser package, you get $150 off that package, and that can be anywhere from laser hair removal. It can be for sun damage, stretch marks. I mean, there's an array of products that we can do for laser. It goes from, those little red cherry angiomas that people get that don't know that they can treat those. It can be also for large pores. You can treat for large pores. So a lot of different things. And then we also have, for the first 10 people that call our office, they can get a NeoCutis product, a full-size NeoCutis product for free if they call and schedule a facial or skincare treatment or anything like that. So,
wow, and it's very generous.
Stuff,
we usually have it where the 8 West viewers have to call today, but you're actually extending this for a couple weeks now.
Yes.
Yeah, I think also for a lot of people that check this out online, so we want to extend that a little bit.
So through February, people can call and make their appointments, but don't put it off, because things can kind of escape when you get busy. It might be a good idea to call today.
Exactly.
You do have a little bit of time.
Right,
so,
and your office is beautiful, as you said, and you're so easily located, too.
Right. Yeah, it's kind of downtown, near the Medical Mile, but not near the chaos. So we kind of go just the opposite direction, or just east of the Medical Mile, right on Michigan.
Really easy to find. It is beautiful. Well, thank you so much for being here today, and give them a call. Great opportunity.
Thanks for having me. You did mention my purple outfit.
Yes, you're very West today. Dr. Bengtson is very West. We love that. That's why we keep inviting you back.
Don't go away. We've got much more 8 West coming up.
Are you West?